hungry hippos. Yes. Hello everybody. Welcome to KC Fun World. We have this hungry hippos here. So let's get started. I'm 7 years old, and if you're younger than that, I don't think it's supposed to be using scissors. Wow! And we're gonna play a few rounds of this game. Wow! Look at this! So we're gonna have to put them together. This one is. I'm just gonna. When I say green, everyone catch your marbles if they fall. Get all the marbles in. You flip over the board. Or is it this way? I don't know. Let's assemble this game. This game. I'm getting hungry. Oh, I think this is where they go? Yes. So yeah, this is definitely where they go. Can help me. So there's only one yellow ball. I think whoever gets it at the end wins. That's how you play. Look at it. I'm being Sweetie Potamus and Hungry Hippo. They're going to be these and this one. Okay. So we just press these buttons. Press these ones. Wait, not yet. Just put it. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Hey, guess what? I got it! I got the yellow one, so I guess that means I win! It has to be 5 marbles in each. 3, 2, 1, press these buttons. Wow! I got so many! This one is cool. Yes! More! Yeah! Look, I win! I got so many! I did too! Wow! It filled up to here! It filled up to right there! So that means I win. Yeah, I win too! And you lose! You lose! So if you ever get this game, it's gonna be amazing! So we should end this video. So the one's gotta end sometime. So don't forget to leave a subscribe. And bye. Wait, hold on. These Hungry Hippos are gonna say bye too. Bye.